so we are about to watch the Hiragana Keyakizaka. I really don't want to mess this up. Okay. Keyaz Keyakizaka. Okay. The Hiragana Keyazi. They had the name of the song in Japanese, but then they switched it and romanized it, and I still couldn't even make out what they were trying to say. Oh my gosh. So when they say Asian Music Awards, Mama's Asian Music Awards, they mean Asia, like all the continent, all the continents. Oh my god, they mean the. Oh my god, they mean the continent. They don't mean like K-pop, just K-pop. This is my first time ever witnessing. Well, I guess the Chinese producer. Why was he looking like that? Oh my. I know all the K-pop people, all the K-pop stars. I know they're confused. They're like, what is this? This is performance on the next level. Okay, I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna actually listen and give them a shot. Oh my gosh. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay. That was an interesting one. How did that make me feel? It's different, okay? It's different. That sounded like a nice, sick track for um, a rom-com anime, you know, just like, very intense, very, I don't know what they were saying. I don't know what K-pop is saying entirely. Obviously, I study Korean, so I can isolate words and make sense of some context. Japanese, I have no idea what they were saying, and it looked like a lot of people, a lot of K-pop stars in the audience. A lot of them obviously speak Japanese and they can understand it, but there was some that was just like, what is going on here? What is this? And that was me. So, I mean, it was cute, it was good, it was fresh, it was fun. So, good on Hiragana. Good job. All right, so now we are gonna watch Loona 3-1 Odd Eye. Okay. Odd Eye Circle. Who comes up with this? The titles, man. YYXY underscore love and live. Girl. Okay. So whatever that is, I guess Loona. And maybe another band. I can't tell. But I don't know. Did I already do 3 videos in one? I can't remember. Well, this is going to be the last video, and then we're going to go on to another video, another upload, guys. So check that out if you want to see more reactions. We are just on a roll today. We're going to bust all of these out. So let's go ahead and get started. Run the World, Loona, and Hiragana. Oh. Oh, wait, what? Okay. This is Love and Live, I think. They had 2 names, so I don't really know. Oh yeah, okay. Are they saying bogo shippo? Moko shippo? Are they saying bogo shippo? Or moko shippo? Oh, they're cute. Yes, she's so cute. I always fall for the blondes. And I feel like they know what they're doing when they make the member the blonde one. That's cute. Love forever. Okay, love forever. That sounds good. That's cute. So pretty. Oh, it looked like one of the members of I'm gonna forget their name. Dang it. The purple outfits, like they know their songs. That was cute. I've heard this song before. I like it. Ooh. Beautiful. Ooh. Very beautiful. The girls with the distinct faces and black hair, just jet black. Beautiful, man. Just beautiful. Like Chungha. I'm sorry, I had to add that in there. I noticed Chungha just because her eyes so beautiful. And I remember JRE. He pointed that out in one video. He was like, who is that? And I was like, yeah, that's Chungha. Look at her face. Her eyes is so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so I just went on a little tangent about Chungha, but I was watching the video, guys. That was very cute. I like how they did like separate stages for each separate group. That was very cute. And I see what they did now. Loona 3-1 odd eye circle is one group. Okay, we're not going to even try and decipher that again, but I see what they did. That was very cute. So good on them, and I will see you guys in the next upload. It's a lot of uploads. It's a lot of me. It's a lot of me sitting here interviewing and reacting to K-pop, but I really wish I could have caught the full thing. Anyway, yeah, the full Mama Awards, but anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.